Thank you for calling Comsearch.
Hello, this is Cheyenne.
Hi, this is Eddie with Dent. I was returning your phone call.
So I have your original estimate here. You're asking for $8,429.48. After review, Allstate's willing to pay out $6,189.43.
This phone call's being recorded. How did you come to those conclusions? Because y'all haven't physically looked at the vehicle. Do y'all have some magic ball or something? Do you have some magic ball or anything that can tell me how? I mean, do you have cameras in my shop or something?
No, sir, I did not. We went off the estimate that was written by you, actually. It was for the total that I had stated originally, $8,429.48. I went through and reviewed the estimate. I did remove the pre- and post-scan and the tow. Just until invoices are provided on a supplement, you will get paid out for those.
You know that I don't...
Are paid out in your area?
Okay, by law, I don't have to present any invoices to y'all. All I have to do is... my invoice is the final bill.
Okay.
So just so you know, I've talked to the California Department of Insurance, and same with the bar, and I don't have to do that. But continue.
Alrighty. So, and then after that, I have labor rates in your area are paid out at $58.58, mechanical at $108.50, and paint and material at $42.
Okay. How do you come up with those figures?
They're prevailing rates that Allstate has already set up for every town in all of the 50 states.
So, I mean, how do y'all come up with that? So that's with a program.
I don't know. I'm just a third-party desk review company. That's Allstate that puts into action. I just have to follow Allstate's rules.
So that they know my actual operating cost? I mean, how can we be grouped in? I mean, Allstate has different charges on their insurance prices in different areas and stuff. So, I mean,
I'm not sure.
Okay, you don't know. Okay, so continue.
No, unfortunately, I don't. And then the rest is going to be in miscellaneous operations. I have DNR disconnected, reconnected battery. Went from 0.5 mechanical to 0.3 body.
Okay,
no
so
for call standard buff.
Okay. So who's going to do that? This is a Porsche.
I understand.
Okay. Have you ever worked on a Porsche?
Hold on. No, I have not.
Okay. So but you're the one.
Buff is not that it can't be.
So you're the one.
It can't be paid out. It can be.
Okay. So I'd have to put in a supplement for deficiencies.
You have to put in a supplement and just take a picture of you guys doing the color sand and buff work, and you get paid out for it. That's not a problem.
Okay. What do y'all pay for that?
It doesn't really say. I know it's usually about 2 hours tops in body work.
So if I paint a complete, they're going to pay me 2 hours. If I paint one panel, I'm trying to figure out how. You're the one that's writing the estimate, you said?
Correct. I take the estimate and I just go through it.
Okay. So you've never repaired a car before, correct? But you're going to tell me how long it takes to do
my
something?
My uncle actually owns an auto body shop.
What's its name?
A body shop, and I did work there.
What's his name?
It's in Rhode Island. It's Vinny's Auto Body in Rhode Island.
Oh, okay. So I can look that up online and confirm it?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Okay. So what did you do in the shop? You said you worked there. Did you polish cars, write estimates? Were you a greeter?
I wet sanded. I buffed cars. I dismembered cars. Put cars back together. I rebuilt my whole Mazda after I crashed the front end.
So what do you color sand and polish a car with? What grit sandpapers?
I don't remember the grit, but it's a really fine grit sandpaper with a bucket of water and a wedge. And I wet sand with this, and then
so you don't
buff it with the compound. And
what compound?
I don't remember the name of it.
Oh, so how long ago was this?
I'm sorry?
So how long ago was this that you did this? How long were you working in the shop? For how long? A year ago?
A year ago. I wasn't there for long. I mean, I was in my uncle's shop. I kind of just helped out when he needed work.
Okay, so you were there for like a day or two?
No,
Or
that's
like
like a month.
Oh, like a month. Okay. Okay, so continue. Let's see what else you got.
So I have clean and detail went from an hour and a half body to $15.
Okay, so how do you come up with that? You can't even.
Again,
I'm just saying. I'm trying to figure out.
I understand. I completely understand your point. You want to get what you work hard for. I completely understand that.
Yeah.
The same way.
So $15. Am I supposed to get some crackhead out here to clean the car? That's what I mean.
Sorry, I don't have an answer. I wish I could give you the answer that you're looking for, but I don't have the ability to answer those questions due to the fact that I'm just a third-party desk review company. I only take what your estimate is, what Allstate gives me their guidelines, and then I go off of their guidelines, and I have to go by what they say. I mean, I can send it back as a non-agree. Allstate will call you directly, and you can fight with them on that. I completely understand that, and that's fine.
Okay.
If you want to continue to go through it, I'll tell you the rest of it.
Yeah, tell me the rest of it.
Okay. So clean and detail went from 1.5 body to $15. Car cover went from $10 and 0.4 body to $8.
Okay.
Masking for jams went from $10 and 1 hour body to $5 and 0.2 body. Hazardous waste went from $10 to $3.50.
Okay.
Your wheel alignment, which I know is a supplement, so as long as you provide an invoice, will be paid out fully. It went from $397.67 to $66. Again, that's a supplement. You will get paid out for the whole thing.
Okay.
The estimate charges are in total $336.20. Allstate does not allow that.
For what?
And then there was a 2.5.
They don't allow.
Don't allow.
So they don't allow. What was it? They don't allow for?
Estimate charges. They don't pay out for them.
Okay. We provided the estimate, and that's a service.
I understand.
Okay.
Again,
Supplements, any supplements that we do, we charge for because we've written a good repair plan here, and y'all are butchering it up. But continue.
Okay. Then there was a 2.3 hour system difference in body time.
And where?
And then 2.5 in system differences. You use a different system than we use. We use CCC. Mm-hmm. So when we converted it into CCC, it changed some of the hours of operation.
Okay. So when you're using CCC, okay, so if I'm pulling a door handle off a car in CCC, does that include pulling the door panel off too? Any of the other necessary?
No, so we add that in additionally.
Okay. Seems kind of. So you're higher or lower than me on the labor rates?
On
whatever you're talking about right now. So you're higher or lower?
Okay, hold on one second. So my total hour rate for body of total hours on the estimate so far is 11.7 hours. You were asking for a total of 21.1 hours.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I'm lower than you. And then
you're quite a bit lower.
Paint material and refinish, you were asking for 12.6. I'm at 11.4, so I'm not too far off on that one. But I was a decent amount in the body, but that's also because of all the body that I took off due to the color stained buff, the clean detail, car cover, and masking for jams. That's where a lot of your body time got chopped at, especially the color stained buff because that's 3 hours you were asking for originally.
Yeah. And how long did it take you to wet sand a fender?
Wet sand a fender.
Mm-hmm. Without buffing it.
Probably just wet sanding, probably 20 minutes.
20 minutes per panel?
For a small panel, like a small fender, yes.
Yeah, just to sand it, but not to
a whole side.
But not to color sand, or not to compound it and then use the glaze and the polishing pad. Perfect it. So,
correct.
So about 20 minutes. Okay. So how long did it take, after you've wet sanded that panel, how long does it take you to buff the luster and everything back, get rid of the swirl marks?
Again, probably about 20 minutes.
Another 20 minutes?
If I want to get every little piece, probably if I want to get every little piece of, like anybody does, they want to get every little piece of dirt out of that paint.
So 20
and they want to buff every little spot and make it look perfect.
Okay. So 20 minutes plus 20 minutes equals 40 minutes per panel. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, so what else?
Okay, so then I have 2.5 hours of refinish. I'm sorry, 2.1 hours of refinish. That was an system difference as well.
That was what?
That was a system difference as well. Again, going from Autotext to CCC.
Okay. And so what else do you have?
That's it. So those are my only changes. Changes equal out to 1713.38.
Okay, so no pre and post
completely
scan,
understand if you
no
want
alignment. Yes, I mean send over what you have, and then I can review it with the customer and tell him what he's going to have to pay for and sue the insured for, and not.
So the thing is, with the pre and post scan and the toe and the color stained buff, again, you'll get paid out for them. They just have to be supplemented in. So
okay, and then we'll just have to put in time for that too. Because, I mean, I have it down on mine, my repair plan. And so do y'all have down to research OEM repair procedures? I've got that down there too. Because we have to have access just like any shop. Okay.
Yeah, so I calculated all that together with your estimate charge for the $336.20 that Allstate doesn't allow for.
Okay. So when you're writing this, when you're sending it over, make sure that y'all write why y'all aren't paying for this and that on there. Because that's California. Where are you located out of?
I am currently located in Texas.
Oh, in Texas? Okay.
Correct. So I can send this over to you via email. Perfect. I will send this over to you in about 5 minutes, and you should receive that.
Okay. And then it'll say how they came up with those names.
Your name was? I'm sorry.
My name's Eddie. What's your name?
My name is Cheyenne. It's spelled like the capital of Wyoming.
Okay. And then what's your last name?
My last name is Terpening. That's T as in Tom, E-R, P as in Peter, E-N-I-N-G.
Okay. And then what company? Estimating company or?
I work for Comsearch.
Comsearch. Okay. Okay. Looking forward to seeing your stuff.
I'll send this over to you, and I do apologize for any inconvenience, but I do hope you have a great day.
Okay, thanks. You too. Bye.
You're welcome.